Good morning and welcome to our questions and answer session. I'm joined today by Sheila Gallogly and we're discussing the top line benefits of customer personas. Over to you, Sheila.
Okay, thank you, Lee. There's loads of good reasons to do personas, but I'm going to stick to the top three. Okay, so the first one is by understanding your personas, you can develop content that is relevant and interesting to your target market. Secondly, by doing the persona process, you'll be able to identify which personas are the most important from a financial perspective to your business, and then dedicate resources and investment only to those priority personas. And finally, and possibly most importantly, we can guarantee that by doing personas, you will absolutely achieve a financial return for your business.
So there you have it. We'll see you at the same time next week. Please add any topics you'd like us to cover in our weekly Q&A sessions in the comments below. So we'll see you then. Thanks very much.
Thank you. Bye.